Alright, so today we are going to be using Duolingo for our French 1. The first part of this screencast is going to be mostly for the teacher, and what we're going to do is we're going to go to the power practice, and the teacher will display that with a projector. Or you can either click on the link that I have provided here, or you can just go to schools.duolingo.com. It will take you to my account, which I've set up. You can see my class right here. So you'll click on the class that I have set up. We are going to go to class activities. And here's our power practice. You go, let's go. You will choose the basics one, because that is our lesson today, and start practice. It will take you to another page where with the class you'll select the correct answer.
La femme.
After which the whole class will have to repeat each word until you get through the whole lesson. So that's the first part. Now the next part, for our individual practice, each student will be in a computer lab, so they will have access to a computer, and we're going to be using Duolingo again. And they can either click right here, as a teacher you can click that for them to go to, or I have specific instructions on how to join the class. So I'm gonna click on this and it will take me to this page right here, and it says these are the specific instructions. I will have the students go to this link, which will take them to my class. It will ask them to join, so you say continue. So now I'm gonna pretend to be a student, and let me see, for some reason it's not working. Okay, so going back to this page, you'll click on the link. It will take you as a student to the class, the French 1. I do want you guys to finish this lesson, the basics 1. After you finish the lessons, I want you to go to your settings, and some of you probably will have to create an account, and it's really simple, but in your settings, I want you to share your account with me so I can track your progress and see how you're doing. So right here you'll have progress sharing. You'll click on that. You will either join a class, or as a teacher I'll give you a code. In this case it will be this one right here. Now because you went through the link that I provided for you, it has already automatically added you into my classroom, so all of you will be here. And so that is it. After you've finished the lesson and share that with me, that will be it for us. Thank you for watching.